Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you are fine. I'm also fine. In this video, I'm gonna show different types of amazing pebble home decoration ideas. It is very unique and beautiful pebble decoration. Pebble art for Christmas, pebble art for gifts, and etc. And all of them is very unique ideas for yourself. And you can make easily at home different amazing pebble home decoration ideas. And you can see it is very classy and unique pebble frames, pebble amazing home decoration, wall decoration, different amazing pattern designs. And I hope you like it. And you like it viewers, so please like my video, share my video, subscribe my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.